Okay, now we will see how we can solve exponential equation which is similar to quadratic fraction equations like a division bx plus cx equals d, where one x variable is at the denominator and one x variable is at the numerator. Simplification of these kinds of algebraic fraction equation gives quadratic equation. So these kinds of exponential equation where one exponential term is at the denominator and another exponential same base exponential term is at the numerator, simplification of these kinds of equation will also give us a quadratic equation. So let us learn how we can solve these forms of exponential equation which is comparable to these kinds of quadratic equation using these two examples. So here 2 to the power x is one exponential term which is at the denominator, and 2 to the power x is another exponential term which is in this term which is at the numerator. So we will replace this common exponential term 2 to the power x by a new variable u. So we will get 1 by u plus u equals 2. So now we will simplify this to get the quadratic equation. So this denominator is 1, so u and 1 common denominator will be 1, u. So here we will get 1 plus this denominator is 1, so we need to multiply both numerator and denominator by u. So you will get u times u is u square equals 2. So now here the denominator is 1, so if we multiply this 1 with this and this denominator u to there, so we will get 1 plus u square equals twice u. So if u and 2 twice u, so if we bring this twice u on the left hand side and rearrange the equation a little bit, u square will write first, 2u coming on this side will become negative, so we will get minus twice u plus 1 equals 0. So now here u square minus twice u plus 1, if we remember that perfect square formula ab whole square equals a square minus twice ab plus b square, then u square minus 2 times u times 1 plus 1 square equals 0. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, so it will be u minus 1 whole square equals 0. So therefore from here we can write u minus 1 equals 0 or u equals 1. Here u is 2 to the power x, therefore 2 to the power x equals 1. 1 we can write 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power x equals 2 to the power 0, therefore x equals 0. So the solution of this equation will give us x equals 0. Okay, let us do the second example now. In this second example, we got 2 times 7 to the power x minus 21 times 7 to the power minus x equals 11. So here one exponent term is 7 to the power x, another one is 7 to the power minus x. So first we will convert this 7 to the power minus x into 7 to the power plus x. That means 2 times 7 to the power x minus 21 times, we know if we convert x to the power minus n to positive power, it becomes 1 upon x to the power n. So 7 to the power minus x will be 1 divided by 7 to the power x equals 11. So now we will replace this 7 to the power x exponent part by a new pronumeral u. So u equals 7 to the power x. So we will get 2 times u minus 21 divided by, because 1 times 1 divided by 7x, this is u, so 21 times 1 is 21 and here it is u equals 11. Or now this one got denominator 1, so 1 and u, the common denominator will be u, so 2u will remain 1, it denominator is 1, so it will be multiplied by u, so 2u times u minus u is already there, so it will be 21 equals 11. So if we take this u on the right hand side, we will get 2u square minus 21 equals 11u, and if we bring this 11u on the left hand side and rearrange the equation a little bit, we will get 2u square minus 11u minus 21 equals 0. So now this is a quadratic trinomial. Now we need to factorize it. So to factorize, we will take this u square coefficient and constant term. So we will multiply them. 2 times 21 is 2 times 3 times 7 times 1. Since this constant term is negative, we need to subdivide these numbers into two parts so that we can get 11. So now 11 is an odd number, so we can't take this 3 with 2. So 2 and 7 will give us 14, and 3 and 1 will give us 3. So 14 and 3, their difference is 11. So we will take 14 as negative and 3 as positive. So we can write this one as 2u square minus 14u plus 3u minus 21 equals 0. So for minus 14 plus 3 will give us minus 11. So from these two terms we can take 2u common, so we will get u minus 7, and from these two terms we can take 3 common, we will get u minus 7, or we will get u minus 7 times u minus 7 is the common term, so 2u plus 3 equals 0. So if we take this calculation here, so u minus 7 equals 0 or 2u plus 3 equals 0. So u minus 7 equals 0 or 2u plus 3 equals 0. So from here u minus 7 equals 0 means u equals 7, or u is 7 to the power x. We considered 7 to the power x as u, so 7 to the power x equals 7 to the power 1. So x equals 1. And in this part we will get 2u equals minus 3, or u equals minus 3 by 2, or u is 7 to the power x, so 7 to the power x equals minus 3 by 2. 7 is a positive base. On a positive base, whatever power it is, this one will always become positive. So this part left hand side can't never be negative, so this one is always positive. Minus 3 by 2 is negative. Positive and negative, they can't be equal, so this relation 2u plus 3 will never give any feasible solution. So solution of this quadratic form exponential equation is x equals 1.